Good morning, I'm Jen Wall. Thank you for joining us. The Arizona Department of Health Services has just released new numbers on the coronavirus cases statewide. DHS is now reporting that 131 people have died, and there are now more than 3,800 confirmed cases. More than half of those are here in Maricopa County. Now, those numbers are up from yesterday when there were 122 deaths reported and more than 3,700 confirmed cases. The coronavirus fight continues globally, and leaders from around the world refuse to fold. And right now, there are nearly 2 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 around the world. In the U.S., there are more than 500,000 confirmed cases. Most of them are in the state of New York. And it's not all bad news, though. Nearly 33,000 Americans have recovered from the virus. The impact it's having on the economy, though, is not getting any better. New numbers from the state unemployment office show more than 90,000 Arizonans applied for benefits over the past week. Now, since this all started, there has been a record 345,000 total jobless claims. Last week alone, the state paid out $27 million worth of benefits. And criminals are taking advantage of the coronavirus pandemic. New numbers show there's been an uptick in crimes of opportunity in the last few weeks. Though many people are working from home right now, we're doing just that and working and not paying attention. Many families are making more online orders, and then that's creating more opportunities for porch pirates to strike.
Packages being delivered to homes, which gives bad guys more opportunities to commit crimes. Right now, we have more people at home, which means more vehicles parked on their driveways, on the streets. We continue to see groups of people going through neighborhoods, checking for open vehicles.
So Mesa PD says the best way you can protect yourself and your possessions is to stay vigilant and call for help if you see anything suspicious. New blood tests called antibody tests could help get a lot of people back to work and provide a big sigh of relief for doctors and nurses on the front lines. This is coming out of UCLA, and it's now using a finger prick version of an antibody test on thousands of medical workers. The concept is really simple. If you've had the coronavirus and recovered, it's because special antibodies in your immune system have developed to fight it off. And those could protect you from future infection. So in the case of medical workers, these could become super soldiers in the fight against the virus.
I think that healthcare workers who know that they have antibodies will be able to go into to their work more confident that they're not going to be getting themselves sick or then passing this virus on to others around them.
The Trump administration says it is working to make antibody testing free and widely available. And looking ahead to later this week, the Motor Vehicle Division plans to shut down all ADOT services over the weekend as part of its effort to update its computer system. The new system has been in the works for 5 years and will finally get a chance to be installed now that offices are closed to the public. The MVD says the interruption will begin Friday at 5 p.m. and will last through next Tuesday. Again, this means that all services will be shut down for those few days. And meanwhile, more help could be on the way for farmers who are losing money. There's a New York senator pushing a bill that would protect the farmers' food supply and gives financial relief. Due to a lack of demand from restaurants and schools, a lot of food from the farms is going to waste, and I know it's really hard for us to believe that right now, but it is happening because that food cannot go to places like food banks because there's no reliable way to get it there. And let's take another look at the new totals of coronavirus cases just released by the Arizona Department of Health Services. DHS is reporting that 131 people have died, and there are now more than 3,800 confirmed cases. Excuse me, more than half of those are here in Maricopa County. Those numbers are up from yesterday when there were 122 deaths reported and more than 3,700 confirmed cases. Taking a closer look at the numbers in Maricopa County, according to the County Health Department, there are more than 2,000 confirmed cases. There are now 54 deaths, more than 400 people hospitalized, and 130 people in the intensive care unit. And with new information coming out almost by the minute, we know it can be hard to keep up, especially when you have a lot going on at home. So you can find the latest information surrounding the coronavirus and how it's affecting Arizona on the 12 News app. It is free to download if you have not done so already. Well, thank you for joining us for this latest update. Have a great day and stay safe, Arizona.